Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm just here with you guys on another video. I got another package from Super Speed. It's a little small package, nothing to be all crazy about, but just kind of want to show you guys what I got. And if any of those interested and don't have one already, just might as well do it. The air fuel ratio gauge. So yeah, I'm gonna be installing this today. See how complicated these are, because I never installed a gauge before, so it shouldn't be too bad. So open it up, and we got the gauge, nicely packaged. Gauge. That comes with all the wires. These are the cables they're going to be running through the side. Passenger side sensor, and this is the power. And then we got the little thing that you put in the downpipe. So yeah, it seems like a simple install. Faceplate, silver, white, black. And we got, just in case you don't have one, they include, yeah, pretty much all that comes in the package. And then installation paper and everything. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this install started now. I want to keep the black though, for sure. Maybe I might put the white face. I don't know. That's pretty cool that you can change the face. So whether you like the white, the clear, the black, or the faceplate. So you can change this one to, sorry if it's not focusing. So you can change this one to the white and silver, or white and black, or black and silver, whatever. That's pretty cool. So yeah, so let's just install it really quick. So first I'm gonna start off with finding a way to get to this into the car. But so yeah, so I'll see you guys once it's installed, and I'll show you how it looks. Other than that, alright guys, for those of you that don't have a downpipe, or that do have a downpipe, some of your downpipes include that little hole right here, and that's where you connect the other O2 sensor, or whatever the sensor this is for. Yep, I think I'm gonna run it through there. No, not through there. My bad. Where is it? That's hiding. This one right here, where used to be the sound generator thing. I think I can run it through there. I'm gonna check, but yeah, so let's go ahead and check it out and see if we can. Alright guys, I'm completely almost done. I tucked all the wires already. I run it through in there, through here, and cord it up right here. It's gonna be all nice and tucked, so won't have to worry about it too much. I grounded it right here. And then I use one of those fuse connector ones right here, and then solder the wires together. So yeah, and it works. And for now I'm gonna put it right here. I think I'm gonna get the custom one that somebody makes that I found out on the internet. So I'm gonna order that one later. But for now, this should be good. Good mounting point. I don't know. So yeah, I'm just gonna get everything put back together, and then we'll go from there. This bolt right here, NVIDIA, I guess they don't tighten it too good. It came out without I didn't even need a breaker bar or anything. Just came right off. That wire was good. tucking it in, trying to get it in through the firewall was the hard part for me probably. That's what probably took the longest. Everything else is pretty quick and easy except putting the wire through to the driver's side. But getting the wire through here was pretty hard, so I had to go through the side. I tucked the wire in right here, went through there, and then I came out through here. Probably can't see it, but there's like a little grommet that goes there. This grommet goes right here, and you can feed the wire through there. And I connected it right here, zip tied it, and now it's going all the way to the driver's side. So other than that, I'm done. Just gonna put everything back to normal and should be set. Other than that, it looks pretty good. I kind of like how, I do like how it looks with the whole gauge right there, my access port right there, and yeah. So let me just tuck everything in and then I'll get right back to you guys. Alright guys, so I got everything tucked away, everything's all good and go now. No more wires, except for these wires. I put them through the vent. This one was already there, the AP. But, yep. This mount right here that I got it from this performance shop really quick because I forgot I didn't get one. But this double-sided tape it right here, which is pretty fine. I can see it from here. It looks pretty good. That's all I wanted. So, looks good. The difference right there, but this one is reading 14.7. There we go. What in the world's going on? Alright guys, welcome back. So yesterday when I installed it, this one decided to give out. Well, not this, the gauge. The gauge works perfectly fine. It was the sensor for the oxygen sensor. For some reason it just stopped working and 3 dashes would show up right here. It would never read anything anymore. It just stopped reading. This one reads perfectly. I got this one. I got a replacement one from AutoZone for now. I did reach out to Subi Speed and AEM, but I don't know what they're gonna do. I just decided to buy the sensor. But yeah, I don't know why it gave out so quickly. They say they give out quick, but they last a pretty long time, so I don't know why that one gave out, but hopefully this one lasts me a while. If not, let's see if AEM can send me a replacement sensor, because that's what it is. It's not the gauge or anything, but I'm glad it works now, because I really didn't want to take all the wiring out and start over from scratch. But yeah, all right, well, I'll catch you guys on the next one. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Again, this is just a small little install I did, and I will keep you guys updated on any other installs I have. Have a good one. Later.